Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is only possible on Rishika's recommendation. She wanted to see a Myntra haul and I thought why not. I have been shopping since a year now from Myntra as well, so I will show you what all I have and let's quickly start with it. Shout out to you Rishika, thank you so much for engaging with my videos and I hope you're a subscriber already. And one more thing I wanted to address here is that I have started my own thrift store and a lot of the items from this collection जो अभी मैं दिखाऊंगी इनमें से a lot of the items would be a part of that thrift store. So if you like anything and you want to buy, I'll provide the link in the description box below so that you guys can check that out. And let's quickly start. One more thing before showing you what I have in my hand. This short dress, it's a t-shirt dress, it's from Westside and I do have a lot of stuff from Westside as well. So Westside, Burger Bay, Meesho, कुछ भी देखना है comment down. Alright, so the very first item that I have for you guys is this denim skirt. This has been my most praised one. Like whenever I post something matlab something like a video or a photo in this particular skirt, I've always been getting questions ki kahan se. So you guys finally know it's from Myntra and it's from the brand Mast & Harbour. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The size is 30 and I'll mention the prices on the screen so that you guys know the exact prices and how much I got it for. The second piece is this plain solid black kurta and it has a very basic cut, मतलब एकदम straight fit है and the material is also really good. It was around 300-400 again and I'll mention the exact prices on the screen. The size is M and I really like it. According to the brand, I was supposed to fit in an S but somehow it was tight to me, so I got an M, and it was way loose to me, so I got it tight. But the good part is that I have worn it I guess only in my videos and not outside. Plus I have something really similar जो मैंने अपने बुटीक से स्टिच करवाया था एंड मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे बिकॉज वो वाला मैं भूल चुकी थी दिमाग से. यू नो बुटीक पीसेस अराइव सो लेट, सो आई माइट इंक्लूड दिस इन माई थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन गेटिंग दिस वन, you can. The third item is a wrap skirt and it was somewhere around 700 to 800 and this is such a beautiful piece. मैं लॉकडाउन जब खुला था उसके बाद एक दिन बाहर गई थी और मैं सबसे पहले जब बाहर गई थी मैं यही पहन के गई थी बिकॉज आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड टू वेयर दिस आउटसाइड एंड ट्राई ऑन में यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट इज़ एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. इट वाज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड Sassafras and my size in this is medium. The fourth piece is this bust crop long sleeved top and I really like it. I've really styled it in so many ways and I might as well include this one like in my thrift store. So if you wish to get something similar to this, then please check my thrift store out. Alright, so the next piece is this denim skirt from Roadster. It's of absolute like perfect length and it's great for casual days and I really like this one. I never I didn't have anything in white as such मतलब skirts या shorts में, so I did consider getting this one. This one was for 400 something and ये वाली पड़े ही येलो हो गई है. I don't know why that happened, but if I show it to you like a closer look, I don't know if camera can catch it up or not, but this has turned yellow and I don't know why that happened, but ये पड़े येलो हो गई है. I don't know why, but this is again of good quality and I really like it. And size इसमें नहीं लिखा हुआ है. Oh, size is 30 and brand Roadster. Price will be on the screen. This is a one shoulder top and इसके side पे zipper है. It's a little like loose to me, but it still fits really nice and I really like it. It's like trendy, plus white is that color which goes with anything, so I really like it. Size is L, which is why it is a little loose to me. M होता तो मेरे को fit आ जाता, but I remember exchanging this, तो maybe उस time पे M did not fit me well, but L was loose. Something would have happened, I don't remember exactly, but my size is M. If you're of my size, try M first and अगर नहीं आता तो go for an L और उसके बाद you can get it altered if you wish to. The last and the most beautiful piece is this pleated skirt, which is now actually really common, but उस time पे like I got this last year, तो उस time पे it was like a little trendy and everyone was wearing it, and I could not find it under 1,000 rupees anywhere, but this one was for just rupees 600 or maybe near. So I'll mention the exact price, but it's from the brand Sassafras again. I told you Sassafras ke bottoms are good. I got this in an M size, but it was really loose to me because this may elastic BS, so you can fit in a size smaller than you. So I am a size S in this one, and I really like this. So yeah, that was it for this video. This dress is from Westside, and I saw a comment for Meesho haul, I saw a comment for Lincoln कुछ ऐसा करके website थी, and I saw a comment for Burger Base. So poll down which one do you want to see next, or else I could do a Nykaa haul, Plum haul, anything. You just comment it down and I'll give you the shout out and I'll make the video on that particular brand or website. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for always engaging and loving with my videos, loving my content, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon.